Hi everyone, welcome to Concepts Hub. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start. According to the census 2011, what is the proportion of scheduled tribes population to the total population of India? And the options are 5.6 percentage, 7.6 percentage, 6.9 percentage, 8.6 percentage. So according to the census 2011, what is the ST's population to the total population of India? And the answer is 8.6 percentage. In how many states or UTs STs were notified? It is 30. What is the total population of ST in India? It is approximately 10.2 crore population. Approximately how much? 10.2 crore population. And in which state we can see the highest population of STs in India? It is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, we can see the highest population of STs. In which state we can see no population of STs as per the census 2011? It is Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Punjab, and Puducherry. Or if you see here, how to remember here is it is near to this Delhi. Okay, if you see Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Punjab, and except Puducherry, they all are close to the Delhis. So in those states, you can see no scheduled tribes as per the census 2011. Next, who founded the Khilji dynasty in 1290? And the options are Kutubuddin Aibak, Alauddin Khilji, Jalaluddin Khilji, Khusrau Khan. So who was the founder of Khilji dynasty in 1290? And the answer is Jalaluddin Khilji. He was the founder of Khilji dynasty and he ruled during the period 1290 to 1296 AD. 1290 to 1296 AD. This year is also important. Alauddin Khilji succeeded Jalaluddin Khilji of Delhi Sultanate in 1296. If you see the time duration of Jalaluddin Khilji, from there you can remember. Okay. Next, the moderates and the extremes split in the dash session and were reunited. Here, there was a split and there was a reunion. In the Lucknow session of 1916, due to the efforts of Annie Besant, the moderates and extremists, okay, split in which session? And the options are Surat session of 1907, Madras session of 1909, Calcutta session of 1915, Bombay session of 1907. So, in which session moderates and extremists got split? And the answer is Surat session of 1907. This is very important. Surat session and year is also important. And in which session they got reunited? Lucknow session in the year 1916. And along with this one, okay, who was the president during the Surat session? And Lucknow session is also important. During the Surat session, who was the president? Ras Bihari Ghosh. He was the president of INC during a Surat session. And who was the president of Lucknow session in 1906? Ambika Charan Mazumdar. Ambika Charan Mazumdar. So there is a possibility of asking the president during this particular session also. Once again, I'll repeat it. Surat session in the year 1907 and the president of INC was Ras Bihari. Lucknow session 1916 and the president was Ambika Charan Mazumdar. Next. For an object which is at infinity, the image formed by a concave mirror is, and the options are at infinity, at center of curvature, at the focus, beyond the center of curvature. So if this is principal axis. If this is my concave mirror, if the object is at infinity, you will find the image at focus. You will find the image at a focus. And one more possibility is if the object is at a center. If the object is center, where we'll get the image? We'll get the image at the center only, and it will be real and inverted. Real and inverted. Here, if the object is at infinity, what is the size? It is highly diminished. If the object is at center, the size of the object and the image of height of the object is same. Remember, this is also very important. And if the object is placed in between this is the pole. Okay, this is the pole, this is the focus. If the object is placed between focus and pole, you will get the image on the other side of the mirror. Is this clear? So for this, for an object which is at infinity, the image formed by the concave mirror is at where? At the focus. At the focus. Next. In which of the following year was the Central Institute of Indian Languages established? And the options are 1963, 1965, 1967, 1969. So in which year Central Institute of Indian Languages was established? And the answer is 1916. And where is the headquarters or where the Central Institute of Indian Languages located? It is in Mysore, which is in Karnataka. Year important, location important. Either they may ask you the specific place or the state. Is this clear? Next. Among the following, the metal with lowest density is, and the options are lead, lithium, aluminium, magnesium. So, among the following, the metal with the lowest density is. So, every day you are using this metal. Where? In cell phones. The answer is lithium. Okay, lithium is the lowest density among these following metals. And one more possibility question they can ask you based on the lithium is world's largest producer of lithium. World's largest producer of lithium is first position Australia, Chile, next China. Once again I'll repeat, Australia, Chile and China. Recently we heard about the news related to the lithium, okay, reserves found in India also at two locations. So try to remember those places also. Next, which one of the following food material contains all essential amino acids? All essential amino acids. Which food material contains all essential amino acids? Options are rice, egg, milk, soya beans, rice carbohydrates. And the answer is egg. So which food material contains all the essential amino acids are egg. Next. Which state has launched here? Which state has launched one panchayat, one playground? One panchayat, one playground project. And the options are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala. Which state has launched one panchayat and one playground project? And the answer is Kerala. Next. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Avasya Bhu Adhikar Yojana or Chief Minister's Residential Land Rights Scheme? And the options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Avasya Bhu Adhikar Yojana? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next. Magnus Carlsen is associated with which of the following games? I think most of you know this. And the options are badminton, table tennis, chess, boxing. Magnus Carlsen is associated with which games? And the answer is chess. and the country he belongs to is Norway. Is also important. Next, straight from the heart. Straight from the heart is an autobiography of which famous sports person? And the options are VVS Lakshman, Sachin Tendulkar, Kapil Dev, Saurav Ganguly. Straight from the heart is an autobiography of which famous sports person? And the answer is Kapil Dev. And Playing It My Way is the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. 281 and Beyond is the autobiography of VVS Lakshman. A Century is Not Enough is the autobiography of Saurav Ganguly. Next. Which among the following is the famous harvest festival of Meghalaya? And the options are Wangala Festival, Hornbill Festival, Sunburn Festival, Chup Charkut Festival. Yesterday, in one of the video, we saw that Hornbill Festival is what? Nagaland. Okay. So, which among the following is the famous harvest festival of Meghalaya? It is Wangala Festival. Gudi Padwa, Maharashtra. Next. How many field players are there in hockey team? And the options are 7, 11, 14, 10. So how many field players are there in hockey team? And the answer is 11. Cricket we already know 11. Next. Basketball, how many players? 5 players. Basketball, 5 players. Volleyball, 6 players. Baseball, 9 players. Water polo, 7 players. Football, 11 players. Handball, 7 players. So how many field players are there in hockey? Hockey 11, cricket 11, football 11, basketball 5, volleyball 6, baseball 9, water polo 7, foot and handball 7 players. Next. Nepal does not share its boundary with which of the following states in India? And the options Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, Manipur. So these questions related to bond is also very important. One possibility question is either country shares the boundary with how many other countries, or one particular country shares how many boundaries with the states. This is also very important from the exam point of view. The answer is Manipur. Nepal does not share the boundary with Manipur. That means it shares with Bihar, Sikkim, and West Bengal. So we'll see how many more states. Okay, this Nepal shares with our country. So with 5 Indian states, Nepal shares its boundary. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Once again, I'll repeat: Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. With 5 states, Nepal shares its boundary. Next, which of the following is defined as the study of behavior of individual? Okay, individual decision making units such as consumers, resource owners, and firms. And the options are microeconomics, macroeconomics, econometrics, public finance. Which of the following is defined as a study of behavior of individual decision making units? And the answer is micro. Okay, at individual it is micro, at large scale it is macro. Next, all money transfers are kinds sent by migrants. Okay, all money transfers or kinds sent by migrants to their place of origin is called options payments, transfers, remittance, dividends. So all money transferred by migrants to their place of origin is remittance. Dividends you will get when you buy shares, and if you get profit, okay, those profits we call it as dividends. Next, the process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called options crystallization, filtration, galvanization, sedimentation. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization. There is another way of asking the same question, that is the process of depositing a dash layer on iron is called galvanization. Then the answer should be what? Zinc. Okay. Whenever there is a galvanization, remember this zinc is coated on iron. Why we coat this is to avoid rusting. Next. Which state government has named Sachin Tendulkar as Smile Ambassador? And the options Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha. Which state government has named Sachin Tendulkar as Smile Ambassador? And the answer is Maharashtra. Next. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL? And the options Amarendu Prakash, M.R. Kumar, Debashis Panda, Rajiv Kumar, who has been appointed as the chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, that is SAIL. And the answer is Amarendu Prakash has been appointed as the chairman of SAIL. Next. President Draupadi Murmu was conferred with the highest civilian honor of which of the following country? Recently, this is Bangladesh, Suriname, UAE, France. So, President Draupadi Murmu was conferred with the highest civilian award recently. The answer is Suriname. Next. Which of the following institution or organization has launched Financial Inclusion Dashboard? Financial Inclusion Dashboard Antardrishti. And the options are SEBI, RBI, SIDBI, NABARD. Which institution or organization has launched Financial Inclusion Dashboard Antardrishti? The answer is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next. Which of the following bill can be initiated only in Lok Sabha? And the options are Money Bill, Constitutional Amendment Bill, State Reorganization Bill, Ordinary Bill. So, which bill can only be initiated in Lok Sabha? The answer is Money Bill. The other bills can be initiated in either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. There is, but when it comes to Money Bill, it has to be introduced only in Lok Sabha with the prior permission of President of India. Next. The power to inquire into and decide all the doubts and disputes arising out of election of president. This is related to what? Election of president is vested in. And the options are Election Commission, Supreme Court, High Court, and Special Committee constituted by the Prime Minister. Here we can eliminate like High Court and Special Committee constituted by Prime Minister. Will be having 50-50 chance. That is either it should be either Election Commission or Supreme Court. Okay, we'll get stuck in this two only. And if our fate is not good on that particular day, we'll mark that wrong only. Yeah. Next, the answer is Supreme Court. When it comes to disputes related to the election of president, and it is vested in Supreme Court. Next, which is the highest peak in Peninsular India? And the options K2, Animudi, Kanchenjunga, Kamet. So, which is the highest peak in Peninsular India? And the answer is Animudi, which is in Kerala. State is also very important. Next, which is the only continent, here, only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn passes? And the options are Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. The only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn passes is Africa. I think we are done with 25 questions. All the best. Thank you.